Oh shit. Oh shit.
Ahorita le hiciera. ¿Sí, no? AC 8. O sea, lo bueno que voy a tener ahí, ¿sí, verdad?
Sí, güey. Mario running his turbo kit for the 350. Okay, so here's how the rev9 turbo kit works. This is the exhaust manifolds. Like the cooling piping, basic, but this is fucking weird. So the stock headers goes on the passenger side, goes to this right here. It goes around to the driver's side right here and connects to one of these. And the driver's side headers, stock ones, connect to here, go around, connect to the other side, and it turns into this one pipe. Here's the fucking the wastegate. There's a connection right here for the wastegate. Goes right here to the T3, connects to the turbo, spins it whatever, and then comes back around, back to the exhaust system. So you don't need headers or remove your stock headers from a 350 to put the rev9. We already took them off almost, so now we gotta do all that work that took us 3 hours backwards. It didn't take us 3 hours, it took us like 3 days actually. Yeah, we didn't even have to do it. So, and here's the rest of the parts. You have to relocate your AC line, and it gives you another one. Wait, that's not it. Oh, where'd it go? Is that it? Oh yeah, that's it. I think it's this one. Oh, fucking on. So here's how the exhaust comes out. Connects to the stock headers. Comes around through here, right there. And the stock headers on the driver's side. It connects to this U, the passenger side, and the driver's side connect to this one that looks like a Y, and then it goes to the front, connects another piece right there, and that one goes up to the turbo. But we have to drop this so we can fit this and line it up to this, and we have to hammer it because the lines for the fucking steering rack was hitting, so we just hammered that shit till we made some space, and we made it work. It's supposed to be a bolt on. So far it's bolting up, but a bunch of fucking hammering and shit. So now I gotta fit this big ass pipe right here, all bent and everything, through this hole, through this hole, and go up there. And this goes behind, so you can hook it up to the O2 sensors. So yeah, that's the next step. Okay, so the turbo goes right there, and the exhaust is supposed to go back through there, back to the exhaust. So the exhaust comes through here, comes up here, Once you mount the turbo, you connect the exhaust, and it goes back through that same hole right there. Barely fits. And it connects to here, and it's got the O2s. Then it connects back to the stuck exhaust or catback, whatever fuck back there. And now we put in the oil return. We're gonna get the oil feed through the oil pressure switch or whatever sensor. And there's the return hole right there. So we put in a spacer here so we don't have to weld or make a hole on this for the return line. And the spacer also came with a spacer for the pickup tube or whatever. So we put it right there, and after that we're gonna get it tuned. So if we get this done today, we might start it. So here's the turbo, goes right there, right down there, it's right here. Goes through here, comes up through here, it bolts up right here. There's a few spots right there somewhere. Then here's the blow off, all this shit right there. So yeah, that's pretty much how it is. So for the turbo oil feed line, the turbo kit comes with this thing. I think this is the oil restrictor. It's got a bunch of parts that look like this, so make sure you use the one with the little tiny hole in it for the feed line. The return line is just a big one, so the oil can go back into the oil pan. So yeah, now we're doing this right now. So this is what we're using for the oil return. It's a spacer for the oil pan. Pretty much got these 2 holes in it. Actually 3 with that one. And that's pretty much it. So I'm just gonna plug this, and we're gonna use that one. The stock fans didn't fit, so we got this right here. These ones come with 2 wires, and we wire them so it's only one. I mean, they come with 2, and this shit it's 4. So we wire it, so yeah, whatever. I didn't do that shit. But we use the same connectors right here that this one had. Ahora sí, güey. We're about to start it after half a year. We just gotta put oil first. Okay, it's almost time. Like exhaust leak. Oh shit. good and everything. It's still kind of cold. Oh shit. Es un exhaust leak, güey.
¿Ah?
Es un exhaust leak. Eso es lo que te dije, güey. Oh, it's got little baby pups. Oh man, can't wait till this is tuned.
Y no está check engine ni nada.
No. Oh shit. Oh shit. We gotta fix the exhaust leak, but it just sounds nice. So this is it for the 350 turbo build, guys.